Elon Musk back on the stand this morning as part of his lawsuit against OpenAI. Our Kate Rooney outside the courthouse in Oakland with the latest. Kate, what do you expect today?
Hi, Sarah. So we've got Elon Musk on the witness stand right now. This is the fourth day of this trial, guys. Cross-examination is continuing this morning after what was a fiery exchange between Musk and OpenAI's lawyers yesterday. That theme seems to be continuing based on what we've heard this morning. The defense attorney repeatedly asking or telling Musk that it was a simple yes or no question, telling him to answer the question. Musk, though, firing back repeatedly with, "Your questions are not simple." He said at one point, "They're designed to trick me." Musk has accused the opposing counsel of lying, trying to mislead the jury as well. There were points at which they were talking over each other. Musk said, "May I speak?" and then went on to say, "Can I answer without you interrupting?" The judge intervened. This is Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers, the judge here, stepped in telling the two to calm down. That also is happening today. She said, "Just answer the questions." That is going on right now behind us. Musk's core argument, though, is that OpenAI executives, he said, can't, quote, have your cake and eat it too. He told jurors that CEO Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, the president of OpenAI, cannot keep the goodwill and legal protections of a nonprofit while also reaping the financial benefits of a for-profit company. He said they should not get rich off a nonprofit. That is not right. Musk said he was actually a fool, as he put it, to donate $38 million to OpenAI about a decade ago. Microsoft, also a co-defendant in this case, its $10 billion investment in OpenAI has come up a couple of times. Musk testified that he lost trust in Sam Altman after that deal, called it a bait and switch, and then said Microsoft had its own motivations to invest in OpenAI, which would be extremely different from what the charity was looking for. OpenAI, on the other side, has really tried to poke holes in Musk's story here. Their defense boils down to Musk's attempt to control OpenAI, argued that he knew about and at times actually supported a for-profit structure. He is now, according to OpenAI, using the courts to attack a rival while building his own competing AI firm, xAI, guys.